Well, hello. Well, I am feeling thyself.
Lady, come in.
Ooh. Yo, I look like the wedding dude at I Now Pronounce Chuck and Larry. Yo, I'm gonna put this picture up there, yo. I'm looking just like him. Like, y'all can't tell me y'all look like him. Like, yo, where am I going though? Like, Shanise. Okay, let's. Oh, it's getting worse. I can't.
You just need your vacation.
Tamaya, come here. What you think of this wig? Say it. What's wrong?
You got that mop on the top of your head.
Oh. Now get a bucket and a mop for this Nana wig.
We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this
Hey
up.
y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Okay, your girl looks good, but I ain't feeling good, okay? The yarn people, they keep making all this noise. Like, y'all got a YouTube girl in the neighborhood now. Like, put some respect on my recording. Like, oh. So I do apologize for the background noise, but y'all know it is what it is. All right. Today's video is sponsored by your girl. Yes, I did go ahead and pick this wig up off of Wig Types. I saw my girl Jessica, but y'all know her as Wigs and Wonderlust on YouTube. She reviewed this wig, and I was like, I got to have it. She made it look good, so I want to make it look good too. I will leave a direct link down below where you can purchase this wig off of Wig Types. So let's get down into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. I mean, or is it a wig? Or did I get a relaxer and I just curled my hair? The world may never know. The wig that I am wearing today is by Janet Collection. It is their Lavish 100% virgin human hair. And yes, I did say human hair, y'all, because I like it when you do that right there. I have this wig in the style Mary J in the color 1B. This wig is heat resistant safe up to 400 degrees. And also you can shampoo it and all that good jazz because it's human hair. Here is the stock card of Miss Mary J, y'all. And you know, she cute or whatever, you know. But baby, I'm serving looks, all right? So just call me Shamary J. Do you love me, Mary J? Go ahead and jump into the pros and cons of this wig. Honestly, I don't have any cons when it comes to this wig. Now, it may be a few things about this wig some people may not like. Like, for instance, the wig does not have a lace part. It does have the closure. But I don't find nothing wrong with that. You know, I don't think it makes the wig look wiggy. Nobody should be that close to you to see that it is a closure at the top. You know, back up 6 feet, all right? Your significant other should be the only person looking at the top of your head. Not even your kids, because you know they like to embarrass us. Oh, mama, is that a wig? Like, the bang is kind of heavy. And normally I don't like heavy shebangy bang bangs, but I think the layers and the curls are everything in this bang, and I think it's just right. Do y'all see me sitting up here in this yellow? My husband called me his lemon zest. Yes, just sprinkle me over your food, baby. drop me in a cold glass of iced tea. You feel me? Because you know I'm looking good. And if y'all keep seeing me look over here, it's because I'm looking at myself. I love myself. Ooh, girl, you is fine. Girl, you look good. Won't you back that thing up? You's a fine black queen. Won't you back that thing up? So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the obvious, is the hair. I did receive a little bit of shedding. It was like really minor. I just brushed it off my shirt. But y'all, this wig is everything from the hair texture to the layers to the curls. This wig is everything, and it's also a short wig, so we love for the back to look natural. And Janet Collection did it with this one. I'm really feeling this look. I feel like this is one of those wigs, either you like it or you don't like it. And you can go from fly to grandma mom real quick. So you do have to play with this wig and make it work for you. But y'all, this wig looks good and it feels good and it's affordable. Like, what more could you ask for? Like, yo, whatever you want. Hey, girl, you know I can provide whatever you need, whenever you need, babe. That's the wig talking to y'all. This wig is gonna give you whatever you want. It's gonna give you classy. It's gonna give you ratchet. It's gonna give you savage. You know, I'm a savage. Attitude net. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Did I say that right? You know, I be trying to sound cool. Like the young people. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. When I first put this wig on, I was like, ugh, this is ugly. But I did have to go in and play with it and make it work for me. And we are doing just fine, boys and men style. This wig is big head friendly. It's a little bit too big for my head. So when I wear it out, I will be wearing my wig grip because I don't want to see my wig going in the wind, okay? I don't want to see it up in the sky, believing it can fly. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because it's not a whole lot for me to say. I love this wig, period, okay? I ain't even going to hold you. Am I saying it right? I love this wig, no cap. Yo, I want to be cool so bad. I want to be cool so bad. You know, I want to be down. I want to be down. Hey, with only you, my baby. Just call me Shabran. If you haven't already, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _. We have a good time over there, you know, and I just moved to Hawaii. And, you know, I give y'all a glimpse into my world. The direct link to my Instagram will be listed down below in the description box. Once again, I would like to send a big, big thank you to me for sponsoring today's video. I mean, really, my husband sponsored today's video, but that's just between me and you. Just me and you. Ooh, baby. Just me and you. Just us two. Cause I'm a hot girl. I do hot-ish. Spend his income on my wigs. Don't tell me, no, don't tell me. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.